That is a big old crane, and we've had this before.
Wait, how did we do all this dirt pile?
You like that? That's our construction garbage site. We got some dirt, we got our bulldozer, we got our crane, and we got Superman. Da 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 da. What are you doing?
It's going down, but I can't go down to the grass.
Are you raising the trash up?
Time to pick up the trash, and then this will drop it down on the bucket. It's like way up.
We gotta lower the trash into our dumpster truck. Oh, I'm so excited. And we got one more to pick up after that. Yeah, you did it! High five! Woo! All right, we got one of the trash bags. We just got to get one more. Good job.
I was going to make it like right here I did last time. So it's going to drop right down.
It feels good to clean up our construction site. Nice job! You're good at that, Kane.
It's right there! It's like going right next to the other trash. And then what we're going to do to the pile?
We got to get that dirt out of there with that bulldozer.
One more and it's really cute!
High five! Yes! All right, we picked up the trash and let's get it off of there. There you go. All right, man, you can take the hook away. Are you lowering the hook?
Yeah.
Ow! 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 That hurts.
Now I'm going to drive the bulldozer. Oh, we got an ant problem.
Oh, we got ants. Will it go up over that dirt pile? There you go. Good job. That is an awesome bulldozer, isn't it? See? Good job. He did it! He cleared the way. How about that garbage truck? I bet that could really clear the way too. Here it comes. We don't have to worry about anything with that great big garbage truck. Let me move the tractor out of the way. Here it comes. And then here comes the alligator. I love all this green with castles green, the garbage truck is green. The garbage truck has a crocodile on top. How did he get up there, Kane?
I think he just turned up here. Oh, there's that one.
He crawled up there and, oh, that's kind of dangerous. I hope he doesn't get inside of that. I love his eyes.
He's in!
He got in! Ah! Garbage truck's backing up. Boop. Oh, that's a wrench. Let me see. Yeah, see, that's a wrench. I don't know what that's for. Do you?
No.
I'm not really sure. And then what do you got right there? You got one more thing to show us. There you go. So this is Flarp Noise Putty. Yeah. What does that do?
Let's try out it.
Okay, I don't know anything about that. Can you show me what that is? Is it like silly putty or something?
I can't open it. And look at this thing.
What is that? I have no idea what that is. What was that noise? Hey, you gotta say, excuse me. So here's the inside of it right here. Does
Yeah.
this come out?
Yep.
It comes out. Pull that whole thing out so we can get a good look at that. Jackson bought this stuff, and now I know why they all been laughing in their room so much. So it looks like silly putty. It's real soft and smooth. It doesn't stick to your fingers at all. What's
Smell
this?
it.
It smells like orange. And so then you put it in this little container, and it says noise putty. So you guys are having a lot of fun today, huh? Just to wrap up, you got Flarp, you got a Lego set with a tractor, a crocodile, and a castle, and then you got your Bruder truck. It's on your nose. Good job, Kane. Anything else you want to show me that you're doing?
No. I can't get it in now.
So then you just put it back in there, and you got a top. Put the top on to keep it fresh. That looks like a lot of fun, Kane. So you and Jackson making each other laugh by doing that?
I got a funny thing.
Okay. Oh, that's a good idea. What's that stuff you're putting in the garbage can?
Fart so.
Little boys.
If you like guys, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye!